If your 2023 Nissan Rogue suddenly stopped connecting to Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistically, over 85% of CarPlay failures are caused by minor software glitches rather than hardware damage. The first thing we need to do is a hard reboot of your infotainment unit. Hold the volume knob down until the screen goes black and the Nissan logo reappears to clear the cache. Double-check your iPhone settings because CarPlay requires Siri to be active and restrictions to be turned off. If you are using a cable, ensure it is an official Apple or MFI certified cord to handle data transfer. If wireless is failing, try switching to a wired connection to see if it stabilizes the signal. Most owners find that a simple head unit reset solves the problem 65% of the time. Check for firmware updates in your Nissan settings menu to patch any known wireless bugs. Keep a spare cable and a small cleaning pick in your center console for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember that keeping your iPhone's operating system updated is the best defense against connectivity bugs. If these steps helped you get CarPlay back online, hit like and subscribe for more tech playbooks.